Hi, this is Rahim Zulfikar Ali, and this is my another video on Excel charting. And today in this video we will learn how we can make this thermometer chart with marker for the last year value and a comparison of last year figures with actual figures and based on based on our targets. There is no default thermometer chart in Excel. We have to make a bar chart, and with some short tips and tricks we will make this thermometer chart like this. This is very essential while you making your dashboards or financial modeling for visualizing the figures for sales or some other figures as pertaining to your dashboard or financial models database. So we will quickly learning about how we can make this thermometer chart. First, go to insert tab and select this data, actual target last year with their corresponding values, and select bar chart and click on 2D bar chart. So you will get a picture like this when you first create a 2D bar chart. Now what we want some these bars with different colors here. So we will use another awesome option Excel gave us in charting tool, that is switch row and column. Click on switch row and column, and it will change to with three different colors, and their thickness of bars will also increase. Then we will make a dot with the last year bar. So for making that we will go to layout and then click on error bars and go to more error bar options, and here we have to now make certain changes. In the format error bars window we have a horizontal error bar option. In and style, click on no cap, and in error amount click on percentage and set percentage to 1, and then we will go to line style, and in arrow settings with begin type choose oval arrow shape here, so that we can get a small dot, black dot in our last year bar, and now press close. So now you will see that we have got a dot for error bar in our this last year green bar. Now what we will do, we will merge all these into one sequence so that we can make this as a thermometer. So click on any of the bar which you like. Let's say last year bar. I will click on last year bar and then go to format data series, and now you have a window of format data series. In series option, overlap this with 100% and then press close. Now you see we have got almost this picture in this graph, and now make last year color as a no fill. We have already learned how to make colors to no fill. Right click on it, go to format data series, and in fill click on no fill and then press close. Okay, and for also the target we will do go to format data series and then go to format and then no fill. So we almost get this a dot for the last year figures, and this is the this blue fill is for the actual, and we have no fill for the target portion here. So we will make a borderline for the target. We click on this target series and then go to format, and then in shape outline choose any color similar to it, similar to our graph. Let's say blue color, and increase its thickness. Right click on it, go to format data series, and then click on border styles and increase its width to 3, and then press close, and remove all these additional things of charting: grid lines, x-axis and y-axis, and resize it a bit with similar, so that we can compare our targets and actual values. And now we just made a thermometer chart uh, based on actual target and last year values. um, you can also remove its background color. The background color is white in the chart area, so go to format ribbon, and in shape fill select no fill, and shape outline no outline, similar in charting area. So now we have quickly made this thermometer chart, which shows last year figure as a dot in marker, and compared with the actual and targets. Thank you.